Well, finally, there's a breakthrough in the impasse at the interstate border between Assam and Mizoram after tension for the last 1 week, which saw a major flare-up on Saturday in which several people were injured. Shops and houses were torched and the movement of trucks carrying essential commodities to Mizoram was stalled. Both states blamed each other with a massive security build-up. The breakthrough came after the centre stepped in, but this has once again put the focus of vexed interstate border disputes in the northeast, which has been a reality for decades, back into the focus once again. Ratnadeep Chaudhary reports.
We had made a request to Government of Mizoram to withdraw the forces. In the Assam side, Government of Mizoram has kindly consented to agree to our request. So the problem which we were facing about deployment of forces, that has been resolved.
The security force up to that auto stand and the vehicles where the truck will be able to move, which will be released by under the guidance of DGP Assam.
A breakthrough in the Assam-Mizoram border deadlock after centre rushed its top official to hold talks with the two states at Silchar in Assam. Last week, arson and violence at the border between Assam and Mizoram. Villagers of Vairangte in Mizoram's Kolaship district and Lailapur in Assam's Kachar district clashing. Standoff also reported at Mizoram's border with Assam's Karimganj district. The clashes have reopened old wounds, festering since Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Meghalaya were carved out of Assam. Assam has a 2,741-kilometer long interstate border with them. Since 1965, at least 350 people have been killed in border disputes-related violence. Over 100 have died in Assam-Nagaland border conflicts. The 800-kilometer Assam-Arunachal Pradesh border is volatile since 1992. Their dispute is in Supreme Court. Assam and Meghalaya have a dozen unresolved border disputes. Most part of the interstate borders in the northeast are not well demarcated at ground zero. Apart from check gates like this one on the Assam-Meghalaya border, you would not really find any other means by which people would understand where the border ends. And therefore, whenever there is a flare-up, there are claims and counterclaims.
Now, why they are not being resolved? Simply because these are not government-to-government border clashes or border issues. It's a very petty local issues, which are always picked up by local pressure groups.
A former bureaucrat involved in interstate border dispute resolution feels the issue is vexed and can't be solved by knee-jerk politics.
In the ground, this boundary line has not been fully demarcated, and most of the border areas inside Assam are either reserve forest areas or hill areas which are not cadastrally surveyed. There's always, whenever there is problem, they utter 6 words: the diffuse tension, maintain status quo, and generate goodwill.
With NDA's governments in 8 of the northeastern states, BJP had promised to focus on solving the interstate border disputes. Time to make good the promise and find a solution that is not piecemeal. In Guwahati, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.